Keto Marbled Chocolate Almond Loaf is a low-carb version of the traditional almond loaf. It's made using ingredients that are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, making it suitable for people following a ketogenic diet.
Typically, the flour in a traditional marbled chocolate almond loaf is replaced with almond flour or coconut flour to lower the carb content. Sweeteners like erythritol or stevia are used instead of regular sugar to keep the carb count low.
It is made with wholesome, nutritious ingredients that support a healthy diet.
Ingredients include almond flour, coconut flour, salt, baking powder and soda, cream of tartar or vinegar, vanilla extract, heavy cream, sugar replacement, eggs and melted butter or coconut oil and unsweetened cocoa powder.